Summer is an exciting time, and for many, the perfect time to get out and do some traveling. While you're enjoying the fun of planning, searching, and packing, remember that identity thieves and scammers are still out there plotting ways to trip you up and gain access to your personal information. Welcome to Money Tip Tuesday from the Making Money Personal podcast. Summer travel season is upon us, and it can come with a lot of excitement and a lot of distractions. That's exactly when people slip up with their personal information without realizing it. A few simple habits can make a big difference in keeping your identity safe while you're preparing to head out on the road. Don't let identity thieves ruin your summer plans. Before you pack, post, or travel, review these guidelines to help protect your identity against scammers and identity thieves. The first is be careful what you share online. It's easy to overshare without needing to. Posting your travel plans gives scammers more information than you think. Be mindful about what you share on social media. Sharing details like birthdays, travel plans, or even pet names can give scammers the clues they need to guess passwords or impersonate you. A few extra seconds of caution can help protect your accounts and your identity. Even a photo of a boarding pass can expose details someone could use to get into your accounts. Share the moment, not the specifics. A second thing is to avoid logging into sensitive accounts on public Wi-Fi. Airports, hotels, and coffee shops are convenient, but the Wi-Fi is often wide open. Open networks are convenient, but they're also easier for criminals to intercept. Anyone on the same network can try to snoop. If you need to check something important, like banking, email, or anything with personal information, use your phone's hotspot or wait until you're on a secure connection. A third thing is to keep your devices locked down. Travel days can be chaotic. Phones get left on seats, laptops get forgotten at security, and backpacks get unzipped without anyone noticing. A strong password, a biometric face or fingerprint lock, and Find My Device turned on can save you a lot of stress if something goes missing. Another thing is to watch out for urgent messages. Travelers have been known to get fake vacation deals, fake airline alerts, fake hotel confirmations, and fake texts about suspicious activity. If a message pressures you to act now or click immediately, or threatens that your account will be closed or your reservation will be canceled, pause and take a moment before you take action. Go directly to the official website or app instead of engaging with any of these urgent messages. And remember that Triangle Credit Union will never pressure you with urgent messages demanding immediate action. Another thing is don't carry every document with you. When you're traveling, leave things like your social security card, your passport, unless you need it, and your birth certificate at home. The fewer important documents you have on you, the less you can lose. Another thing is make sure that you shred anything with personal details. Travel planning can often bring a pile of mail filled with offers, pre-approvals, and random welcome packets. As you evaluate what to keep and what to discard, remember that anything with your name, address, or financial information should be shredded before you add it to the recycling or the trash can. It sounds small, but dumpster diving for personal information is still a thing. Remember to use strong, unique passwords. If you're new to traveling, you're probably creating new accounts. Use passwords that are long, unique, and hard to guess. Think of a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols rather than personal details like birthdays or names. At the same time, avoid recycling the same password across multiple accounts. Taking a few minutes to strengthen your passwords today can help protect your accounts from fraud tomorrow. Another thing to do is to check your accounts regularly. A quick weekly look at your bank accounts, your credit card activity, and email security settings can help you catch something early. Many times, identity theft starts with tiny, easy-to-miss charges. Reviewing your accounts on a routine basis is one of the strongest defenses against identity theft. Spotting unfamiliar charges or changes early allows you to act quickly and limit potential damage. And the last one is to be mindful with travel documents. Don't leave boarding passes, hotel key sleeves, or rental car paperwork lying around. They often contain barcodes or account numbers that can be scanned or photographed. Lost or stolen travel documents can give fraudsters the information they need to open accounts or impersonate you, so a little extra care can go a long way to help protect your identity. Summer travel should feel fun, not stressful. A few small habits can help you keep your identity safe while you enjoy the moment. But even when you do everything right, identity theft can still strike. If you suspect you're a victim, contact us, even if it's not related to your account at Triangle. Remember that if you have a better checking account, it comes with access to a professional, certified identity theft recovery advocate who can work with you one-on-one to identify and resolve identity theft or fraud and return your identity and your accounts to pre-event status. Visit trianglecu.org today to learn about the protective benefits of a better checking account, or use the link in the show notes. If there are any other tips or topics you'd like us to cover, let us know at tcupodcast@trianglecu.org. Also, remember to like and follow our Making Money Personal Facebook and Instagram pages to share your thoughts. And finally, remember to look for our sponsor, Triangle Credit Union, on Facebook and LinkedIn. Thanks for listening to today's Money Tip Tuesday. Check out our other tips and episodes on the Making Money Personal podcast.